Next topic is linking in HTML. So what that linking in HTML? Linking means in HTML, linking means hyperlink. What that hyperlink is that whenever you are clicking on any object, any component, whether it is an image or it is a video or it is a text, whenever you are clicking on any component of an HTML document, then it takes you to some other page or it takes you to some other location, right? That is hyperlink, right? The link on which whenever you will click, you will go to some other place. That is hyperlink. Now here, one thing to know about, in hyperlink text, if you have made an hyperlink on a text, then that text will appear blue in color. So that is the identity of hyperlink. So it is asked that what is the default color of hyperlink. So default color of hyperlink, whenever you are producing link on some words, then it change its color and it then become blue. So the default hyperlink color is blue. Now it is in our hand. Control is in our hand, that if we want to change the default color of hyperlink, we can change that. And this we have seen also in our previous lesson video, right? With the help of body tag, we can easily change the color of hyperlink text from blue to some other color. We can give it by the help of link tag, link attribute, a link attribute and vlink attribute. We can change all the link color of a text. Now when we talk about hyperlink, so it is of two types in HTML. Hyperlink is of two types. One is internal link and the other is external link. Now what is the difference between internal link and external link? External link is just, right now I am showing you the example of, right, external and internal link. External link is that when you are clicking on any text or image or video or any other component, then it takes you to some other document, some other page. That is external link, right? And internal link is that when you are clicking on a text or any hyperlink component, then it takes you to some other section of the same page, right? So here I am showing you, see here I am showing you an example of hyperlink, internal and external also. So here, see here, Google is written over here, right? When I'm clicking on this image, then see, first of all, see the pan is appearing here. See here, pan symbol is appearing. That is one of the identity of hyperlink content. And when you will click over here, then what is happening? See here, it is taking us to some other page, right, where some description of game about summer, right? That was doodle of Google. After clicking on that doodle of Google, which is hyperlinked, it takes us to this page, right? So this is an external link, an example of, right? And one more I am showing you. I'm going to Wikipedia page. I'm clicking over here, childhood and education, World War One. Here it is. So this, see what is happening here. The path is showing you again. See here, I have copy pasted the path. So now what is happening? Again, come to that area. Here, Nazi Germany, economy and culture. When I am clicking economy and culture, so it is taking me to the same page, to the some other section of the same page. So here, how do we know that? So here, see the path of en.wikipedia.org wiki / Adolf Hitler # economy and culture. So Adolf Hitler, right? This is the same path. This is the same path which I copy and pasted here also. Please come here, see, en.wikipedia.org, wiki Adolf Hitler, #World War I. So #World War I, and the other was what? #Economy and Culture. These two are section of the same page. These two, Economy and Culture, and that second one, these two are the section of the same page. So I mean to say that internal link is that whenever we are clicking on a word or any image or any component in the same page, it takes us to some other section, right? So that is internal hyperlink. So there are two types of link: internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. So here all these are in Wikipedia, whatever given contents right here, all these are part of internal linking, not external linking, right? So this is how in your book what is given. So there are two types of link, internal and external. First we will see external. So for hyperlink, the main tag is A. I think it is clear. I think you are no problem to see the code. So here with angle bracket A, anchor, and then we write href, then equal to symbol href, then double quote, we will give the path of the page, then close, and then write hyperlink 1, then again close with A. This is the syntax of hyperlink. External link, when we talk about this, is I am talking about external link. A space href hyperlink reference, hyperlink 1, A close. Here A means anchor and href means H for hyperlink and ref means reference, right? So remember this, A for anchor and href means hyperlink reference, anchor hyperlink reference. So where it is coming from, anchor, where that anchor word came from? So see here, what is the meaning of anchor? So if you will search for anchor, then what it gives you about anchor? One anchor is that TV anchor of a show, right? But here that it is not, the word is not used for that anchor, but I am searching for image of anchor. See here, anchor, see what is the anchor. This is what anchor is. It gives connectivity. It connect us to something, or it connects one thing to other thing, right? And like what happened with the boat, steamer, right? On the seashore, it hold the steamer tightly, right? And remain over there in sand like this and hold the steamer, right? So here this anchor only, this anchor hyperlink reference means it is connecting us to something, right? So that what is anchor hyperlink, that where it comes from, as I think so. So here it is, one of my file is image align, where it is I am looking for properties of details. So the path of this is desktop, and in desktop its name is imglingn. Okay, so here I am giving that path only. Document name is img_align.html img_align.html. Now go to file, save as, and this is going to be hyperlink.html. Save and see. See here what it is showing you. It is showing only hyperlink 1. The code which we use were this one, href c users. So here is anchor hyperlink reference. In hyperlink we have given this path. right? D no D HTML align.img align.html. This is the, here it is, from C to desktop is the path, which include drive name, then folders name. Here it is, these three are folder name, and then one more part is document name. This is document name, and this one is that documents extension .html. Which type of file this is? .html file this is. So then browser will recognize it and open it for us whenever we will click on this hyperlink O1 text, which is appearing after this tag, and then we are closing this anchor tag again. So here it is giving us preview of when. So the identification of hyperlink is that blue color underline, and when you will mouse hover on that specific text content, then the pan sign will appear on that text. When you will click on that text, it will open you the document which you have given the path of here. So here it is opening this document image align.html, which is located in this path. So this browser look this file into the path and then open the file by searching it with extension and read it and open the file, and correctly it just render it also, parse it also. That is how we can use external link. And right now we are using in external link we are using one document only, not an image but document only. If you want to use image, then here in place of what you need to do, just here copy and paste it, right? And here write br 2 times. I am writing it 2 times, it depends on you, right? So that what will be the format? The format will be like this only. See, hyperlink and hyperlink, right? To hyperlink. But here I am not writing hyperlink. Instead of hyperlink, I am going to give again image path, right? By img space src is equal to double quote and then close it. Here use image, which image? So I am going to give path of the image, this image, file, save. It is already saved now, only save, Control S, and then see here width is equal to 200, height is equal to 200, save and see. See here, one is hyperlink, pan is appearing, and one is this image. Again this image, one pan is appearing. That means this image is also given hyperlink and this text is also given hyperlink. Now what happened? What hyperlink? Here in first situation, hyperlink O1, there is one text, and when we are clicking on this text, it is taking us to this file which is given over here. This one, first file is defined and then text is given hyperlink and then again end with a tag. So it is opening this image, this file, this document. And in the second situation, here a href is given, again the same file. Now I am changing it from that file to some other file. I am changing it. This is hyperlink, no, OL assignment, right? This I am giving. Right click and properties and take the path from here, desktop, Control C, and the name is ol underscore assign and dot html format. What is the format of that file? HTML. Okay, ol underscore assign. So give that path, ol underscore assign, ol underscore assign dot html, save, and now see it. One is hyperlink, which is taking us to this page, and one is this hyperlink. See, it is taking us to that ol1 file. So this is how we can use hyperlink on image also, on the text also, right? I think it might be clear for you all. Here one more thing, interesting thing, that again we use title attribute with hyperlink also. We can use title attribute with the image also, right? Alt or title, and with hyperlink also we use that title attribute, right? So here I am using title attribute space and give one title attribute. Title is equal to takes us to an image, then hyperlink 1. So here it gives you the details about that specific hyperlink, what that hyperlink is about, right? Like what was happening with the image, that same thing we can do with the hyperlink here. Save and go to here in this file and see the preview F5. Now see, when you are coming over in hyperlink, mouse over on this hyperlink, it is showing you, see here, it is showing you takes us to an image. If you are not capable of seeing this, see here see, takes us to an image. And so here when you are clicking over here, that is showing you, right, takes us to an image. So this is how we can use a title attribute with the hyperlink also. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you.